In a world driven by technology, one innovation stands out as a game-changer: computer vision. Join us on a journey to explore the incredible world of computer vision and discover its paramount importance in our lives. Imagine a world where your smartphone recognizes your face, granting you access to your personal information. That's the magic of computer vision in action. But it's not just about smartphones. Computer vision is the driving force behind self-driving cars, making our roads safer and more efficient. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases early and with precision, saving countless lives. Even in manufacturing, computer vision ensures precision and quality control, making products better than ever before. And in security, it keeps us safe by identifying potential threats and suspicious activities. In every aspect of our lives, computer vision is the silent hero, making our world smarter, safer, and more efficient. Its importance cannot be overstated. So, the next time you unlock your phone with a glance, sit in a self-driving car, or receive a critical medical diagnosis, remember the incredible power of computer vision. Computer vision, shaping the future, one pixel at a time. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking innovations that continue to shape our world.